So today we are going to learn about the word, what is word, and the common features of word we have done in the previous classes. In the last year we have done so many things in the word also. Okay, so now we are going to move some advanced features of word. Okay, what are the advanced features, or we can say the some more features we are going to discuss over here. These features are basically the spelling and grammar check, Treasurer's tool. I will tell you what is this tool, and mail merge tool. These three things we are going to discuss. But the thing is, today we will discuss about the spelling and grammar only. Okay, because it is like a little bit confusing. I find this little bit confusing. That's why I just want कि आपको ये चीज में पूरी एक साथ लेके चलूं. And mail merge is like little bit एक process है, बस आपको वो follow करना है. So it's better we will discuss these 2 points together. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. Now, in this chapter, the very first thing is spelling and grammar. What is the spelling and grammar basically? जैसे मैंने कुछ लिखा है, कोई spelling लिखी है, तो जैसे किचन का स्पेलिंग हो गया या किसी और का स्पेलिंग हो गया, तो कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम टाइपिंग में इतना जल्दी टाइप करते हैं कि वी डिडंट फाइंड आउट कि हमने कोई स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक कर दी है यहाँ पे. या जब हम लोग मन से कुछ चीजें लिख रहे होते हैं, कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री बना रहे होते हैं, तो विल फाइंड कि हम लोग ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स वहाँ पे कर देते हैं. सो अगर इस टाइप की मिस्टेक्स होती हैं जो हमारी नॉलेज में नहीं है, तो क्या होता है, कंप्यूटर उनको हाईलाइट करता है. ठीक है, आप उन सेटिंग्स को करके उनको हाईलाइट करवा भी सकते हैं. एंड यू डोंट वांट कि नहीं, मेरी मिस्टेक्स मुझे नहीं चाहिए. अभी कभी कभी होता है कि हम कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स या कुछ ऐसा काम कर रहे होते हैं देयर वी वांट ओनली द data, so we don't want to correct each and every spelling on all these things. Okay, so we can switch it off also, and we can switch it on also. ठीक है, whatever we want to do, I can explain. I will explain कि हम उसको कैसे on और off करते हैं. Okay, setting language first. For everything will what we will do, move. So what we will do for the setting language will first, like अगर spelling गलत है, grammatical errors है, तो फाइंड आउट कैसे करेगा. जैसे कौन सी लैंग्वेज वो हम लोग फॉलो करेंगे, वो फाइंड आउट करेगा कि ये हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो अब उसके लिए फर्स्ट वी हैव टू set the language. Now for the setting the language, what the procedure we are going to follow. First we'll click on the review button. Okay, as you can see, this is the review button. I will tell you, I will show you how to do this in practical portion also. So first we'll click on the review button, then language, then set proofing language. After clicking on this, we will get this kind of dialog box, and here we are going to choose the in English US. Okay, then we'll click on the OK button. So like this way, we are going to set the language. Okay, whatever the language you want to set over here, you can set it. Now the thing is, this is the word. Okay, here you can see. Okay, yeah, this is word. In this we have this reference. This is the references. Okay, in the references we have managed language, because I have put it in the small screen now, that's why. Okay, so I have so many things on my screen. Okay, so this is just a minute. Okay, so this is the window. You will get this in 2010. Okay, So the thing is, you people know, I think, I assume that you people know, okay, how to start Word. Okay, afterward we have the review button over here. Okay, as you can see over here, we have review button, and in this review button we have this set language option. Okay, when we click over here, you can see we have so many language options over here. So many language options are there, so you can select the English US. Basically we are following this language only, so we'll select this one, and then we'll click on the OK button. Okay, so in this way we will set the language. After this, we have, after setting the language, we'll apply the correction format, or we can say this grammatical or spelling errors we are going to apply. Now first we'll discuss the types of errors we have, how many types of errors we have. So I'm going to write this, and I'm going to write this. There was many schools laying on the FLOUR floor of of the kitchen. Okay, so these things we have written over here. Okay, now you can see one wavy line is here for the floor. Okay, flour is basically what is this, like जो हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, जो आटा जो हमारा गिरा हुआ है उसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है flour. ठीक है, and kitchen spelling is mistake. We have not written the kitchen spelling correctly, so you can see two wavy lines are there. One is of the blue line, and one is of the red line. Okay, so blue line will come for the blue line is coming for the meaningful, like हमने जो यहाँ word लिखा है, the spelling is correct, the grammatically it is correct, but the thing, the word is not correct over here. Okay, so इसके लिए आता है blue line, and one more line will come at the end of the walls, because I have not switched it on, means उसको मैंने अभी switch on नहीं किया है, that's why I can't open this one. So how we are going to open, हम उसको कैसे set करेंगे, तीनों चीजें अगर आपके नहीं आ रही है, what you people will do, okay, I'm writing this over here. In this you can see, when we click on this, we have the options over here. After clicking on option, we have proofing. Okay, and after clicking on proofing, we have to select this, check spelling as typed, use the context spellings, mark grammatical errors, these kind of things we all have to write these things. Okay, we have to check all the options, and after that we'll click on the OK button, then we'll get these 2-3 lines. Okay, so basically we have these three types of errors: the red wavy line, the green wavy line, and blue wavy line. Okay, so these things we have, these three kind of errors we have. The red wavy line will tell us the spelling is incorrect. The green wavy line is tell us the sentence is grammatically mistake. If there is any grammatical mistake, then it will show us, like the green wavy line under the word, we'll see. And the blue wavy line will get after the correct, the word is, the spelling is correct, but the grammatically it is correct, but the word is exactly not correct with the sentence. Then if we write floor, then we'll get it is correct. Okay, so these kind of three grammatical mistakes we have in our sentence. Now checking spelling and grammar. Okay, अब आपने कोई भी चीज लिखी है, कोई सेंटेंस लिखा है, तो आप दो तरीके से हम उसकी ग्रामेटिकल और स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स जो है वो फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं या निकाल सकते हैं. What are these two ways? The very first thing is, if we write uh, Daksh, just wait, I'm recording now, that's why I'm not taking your doubts. Okay, afterward I will take your doubts. Okay, so in this, अगर स्पेलिंग चेक करना है, हमें ग्रामेटिकली चेक करना है, तो दो तरीके हैं. या तो हम जब टाइप कर रहे हैं एट द सेम टाइम वी वांट कि जो स्पेलिंग्स हैं वो करेक्ट हो जाए, और द अनदर वे इज विल राइट होल डॉक्यूमेंट फर्स्ट एंड देन हम उसको रन करें, देन विल सी सेपरेटली वी आर डूइंग द करेक्शन. Okay, so these are the two types we are going to apply. Very first is the automatic spelling grammar checking. How to apply this one automatically अगर हमें check करना हो तो जैसा हमने किया था अभी just. So first we'll click on the file button. First we are going to click on the file button, then we'll click on the options button. Okay, after clicking on options, we'll get this dialog box. In this we have to click the proofing. Okay, so I'm showing the same thing over here again. First we'll click on the file button, then options, and in this option we have this proofing tab over here. We are going to click over there, and then we'll check these items, these check box. ठीक है, चेक करना है स्पेलिंग को. अगर मैं ये सारी अनचेक कर देती हूँ, then I will not get any error over there. ठीक है, I will not get any line over here. You can see dialog box में line में जो हमारी mistakes हैं उनकी नीचे कहीं पे भी कोई line नहीं है. But when I click over there, options पे मैंने इस proofing पे जाके इन सब को क्लिक कर दिया है, यानी चेक कर दिया है, then I will get the line. Okay, so in this way we can find out the errors while we are writing the content. Or the other way is to don't leave the class. I have not taken any attendance till now, so please don't leave the class. Now correcting error, if you want कि हम जब लिख रहे हैं तभी जब हम इकट्ठा लिख ले सारा, उसके बाद हम उसको अप्लाई करें, तो हम क्या करेंगे, सिंपली हम लिखते जाएंगे और उसको करेक्ट करते जाएंगे. जैसे ये हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट है. नाउ आई वांट कि मैं इसको करेक्ट करूं, तो आई कैन राइट क्लिक ओवर देयर एंड देन आई विल गेट मोर ऑप्शंस. आई कैन राइट, लाइक मैं करेक्ट स्पेलिंग यहाँ से देख सकती हूँ. इफ आई वांट टू इग्नोर दिस, I can ignore, and if I want to ignore all the mistakes, then I can ignore that one. Okay, so these are the two ways we can write. Or if there is any other like कोई जो आपकी grammatical mistake है, but you want कि नहीं, कभी कभी होता है ना, नाम जो होता है, जैसे किसी का नाम है, किसी organization का नाम है, तो it will take like कि हाँ ये आपका जो नाम है ये आप बिल्कुल सही इसकी तरफ से वो incorrect है, but we want कि नहीं ये correct, this is the correct version. So what we can do, we can add the words also in the dictionary. Okay, so in this way we can run the spellings and we can correct the grammatical and spelling mistakes over here. Now I will come to your doubts. If you people have any doubt, just go ahead and ask.